In this video, we'll show you how to import existing embroidery designs and the available ways to edit and reuse them. Old embroidery files or embroidery files purchased by online databases can be a good source of artwork for your designs. The procedure is simple. First, use the From File icon to locate any embroidery design you like. A Browse dialog appears and you can navigate through the different folders and locations of your computer. Once you click on any icon, you can see a preview of the file. The software can import all sorts of embroidery formats, but we're looking for embroidery files. So it is a good practice to filter visible items using this drop-down list. We will select to browse for GEF files. Another way to look for files to import is using the design browser. In this way, you can see previews of the designs. Disable the view of images to see only embroidery files. Once you find a design you like, double-click to import it into a new design. Now you can add text or create extra parts as with any other design. Have in mind, though, that the imported embroidery does not consist of normal objects. If you select any design part, you will see under the object properties that they are raw type. This is not a specific type and you cannot manipulate it. Any normal object that you create has its own properties and its shape, which can be edited using the node editor. The imported embroidery objects, though, don't have stitch properties and cannot be edited using the node editor. Still, you can edit the stitches if you like. And perform specific editing tasks. Rotate, slant, resize. When auto density adjust is enabled, the density is automatically updated to match the new size while resizing the object. If you disable this option, the resized object will have the same number of stitches as the original. To fully edit the imported design, you need to convert it into a vector design. To do that, you need to use the Convert to Curves option. The same option is also available in the right-click menu. Now you can start editing the converted part as with any normal design. You can change the stitch type or change the shape of the object in the node editor. Have in mind that the Convert to Curves option converts the coordinates of the stitches into a shape. There may be cases when you have an object, like this one, which has unnecessary nodes. If you remove them, you can improve the imported artwork. Importing embroidery files is easy, and sometimes you can easily use their artwork to create new variations using other stitches or style stitches. All you need is inspiration.